So here it is, the Alfita. Bom dia. Tudo bem? So wheels and tires will be done, so new tires, the rims will go to be refurbished. This nasty exhaust for now will do, just the hangers to replace. And here you have it. This is the 33 SW Sport Wagon by Pininfarina. Very nice. So as you can see, the roof has to be painted, but the rest of the car will be just a good polish and a good treatment here on the blacks. And the rims will go to be refurbished, and new tires, 5 new tires to be exact. I have to see if the spare is there or not. Here on the engine, not much to do, just well, do the basic maintenance, all of the fluids and all of the filters, and the air filter is very nasty, already saw that. The water hose on top over here is ruptured. I do have one already to go from my 33, the 1.7 liter. It is the same part number actually. You can check that out on EPR if you want to. We'll do new leads, new cap, new rotor, new spark plugs, just everything all around. The car starts great, but I want to make sure everything will be great. Also here the power steering fluid will be new, along here with the brake fluid. Over there, down there, we have the slave cylinder, which is toasted, and we'll do that on the video. I will replace that here on the channel, so you to see how is that. Also, I will use the slave cylinder of my 33 because that one is currently stationary, and I do not want it to be damaged with age, so I'll use that used one to be useful. Okay, really nasty. I will try to clean this up, everything with WD-40 and a brush. A little bit of corrosion over there, I believe nothing too much. Over here the same thing, I believe nothing too much. Well, okay, it is a 33 after all. Okay, it is a 33, but in general lines I believe it is doable. Okay, a tail light over here should be done. Over here I will leave it as is. The tailpipe has to come up over there. Over here just try to mend this a bit, probably, or not, I don't know. And the idea here is to get the car running as soon as possible, right away. By the way, I'll use my QV wheels over here, my 33 QV wheels, so it is running. It will be not a restoration, it will be just a repair. I want it to be as soon as possible because I really do need another car here for the workshop. I have here, it seems to be a water leak. I have to see if the reservoir is broken or what's happening over here. I have those over here in stock if necessary. Well, here it is. What do you guys think about this? So here on the interiors we have a very nice condition. The door cards are very good. Also here on the front they are very good. Yes, they are. The dashboard is also kind of broken over there, but it is normal and it is in good condition for a 33 dashboard. The ceiling is also quite nice. On my 33 what's missing are those parts over there. The normal one, the sedan one that I have. And the seats themselves are in good condition. They just need a very good cleaning because they are just terrible. The stereo system, it is an old style stereo, and I will keep it. Yes, I will. and the steering wheel will be replaced. I have one over there in storage. Over here on the rear I have this, the seat goes down all the way, as you can see, and we have a lot of room for activities and to store stuff, to store a lot of stuff. The struts are good also. We have here some rust, that is to be expected. Okay, but here we go. The rubber is also a little bit patched. By the way, to see if we have spare, yes we do, so that's nice. Also, it will be also redone. What we need is this, a lot of space, a lot of room. I can store just about anything that I need over here and just use it as it's supposed to be used. That's what I want. I want really to use this car as it is supposed to be used. Oh yeah. Here we have this okay, we have some surface rust over there. This carpet goes over here, this metallic part, so it is a smooth transition. The roof line over here is cream color. It's very nice, starting to sag, but that is normal for 33 years. Once it is necessary to do it, we'll do it, but not right now. I just want to do the necessary for it to be a daily car, the workshop daily car, to be reliable. They are reliable, and just to be used. I will enjoy it a lot, driving it. I miss a 33 so much. So guys, if you want to see more about this mini series will do for every Wednesday, not Saturday, okay? And I will start to launch these videos immediately, so no delay or almost no delay whatsoever here for the news of this car. Every Wednesday will be released. If you want to do some donations for the helping of the not restoration, but for the maintenance and repairs of this car, down on the description you have links for it. I have PayPal, I have Patreon, and I have MBWay, probably only do for Portugal, okay? But if you are in Portugal or Europe, it possibly will do, okay? So guys, I see you next Wednesday, guys. Bye!